DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang. What's good YouTube gang? You don't know what it is the Dan back in the lab. You see me if I'm in the lab, you don't know some mad reaction and mad videos and mad vibes are drop. And today is no different. And you see where we're there now, I stay today now. You say, we've been in America you know. But right now we're Ghana yard. And we're Ghana yard, but we still say states. A states we are dealing with right now. Why? Because we don't know how going. We're there raw cash, the one name Extradite. I want to go on and do those badness dogs, eh? I want to go on America badness dogs, I want to go on. I don't know, you know. Yeah, man, we're there raw cash, the one name Extradite. I check it, Extradite. I check it out and see where dog I deal with. But before we get into that gang, just want to take this time and say, yo, I hope you are feeling good. You see me? I say, I hope you are staying prayed up, man. I hope you are taking steps towards your goals and dreams. You see me? I hope you're making every day count. You see me? Don't waste no time. Anything you want in life, you can achieve. So go out the field. Don't make nobody stop on you. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. But before, you see me? We could jump right now, vibes. We say, I stay today right now. You see me? They are raw cash, the one name Extradite. I check it out and see what that deal with. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, Chinaman Records, you know.
States.
Hear the laugh, man. Hear the laugh, man. You're raw cash, you need to trademark the laugh, you know.
Chinaman Records, you know.
States.
You want to if you trademark the laugh, the raw cash, man. For every track you need if you have that.
Brain Freeze Records.
States.
Country. Dog say country. You want to say country badness. Country badness. Oh, go on.
Shit up with States.
Them no mish, them a pose. Scanny barcode for my clothes. She says States, make shit that shred the rose. You're a small title where you own 411 run and knock on your door. Life in
the dog smooth pan it doing no how I go on.
The database in a me phone. Live a yard like my day in the snow. Janko blood for me ring, you see them no rich.
Whoa. Oh Lord, he said. The man say Janko blood. A Janko blood the dog. Yeah, catch. Come here, dog. No, this is a vibe. Me not lie, this is a vibe. Visual and sound wise, style wise, presentation wise. This is a vibe. Weird, come on.
Shred the rose. You're a small title where you own 411 run and knock on your door. Life in the database in a me phone. Live a yard like my day in the snow. Janko blood for me ring, you see them no rich. This States.
Janko blood. You'll find it, dog. Weird, come in, man. Cash, come
The
here.
database in a me phone. Live a yard like my day in the snow. Janko blood for me ring, you see them no rich. This States.
But them no rich. The States mad. Hey.
My BS gun still a bar. Them no rich. This States. Jillian. My BS gun still a bar.
Cash, come in.
Send my lies, you know, here, no, nah. Lane full of puppies. Race bandit, see them a pump, nice, get my skull.
Nah. Rock cash. Yes.
Nice, get my skull back. 25 elites. In next charge, I raise a fee. Them no rich. This States. Jillian. My BS gun still a bar. Them no rich. This
Easy, rock cash. Hey. A vibe.
States. Jillian. My BS gun still a bar. You ever make it up, it jump on first class flight. Me real mish friend get Extradite. For we crime advertise pan yes, Fox 5 cup fall fi.
Come in.
Me pan the phone fuck you every night. US FedEx mealy food overnight. The best no test pussy them shaky long time. But what eat change a state change.
The best no taste. He will see them shaky long time. Ask him by dog a deal with so. A night time me dog a deal with so. A hell boy dog a Bobby dog a deal with so. Uno David say now play. You don't know you know dog. I go on, yo.
Only food overnight, the best no test. Pussy them shaky long time, but what eat? Change a state, change a time. White boy have to share his screen for FaceTime. Them no rich, nah, this
White boy have to share his screen, you. I want him to know where you do. Eh? I mean, no, hey, no shaky move, white boy. Share the screen, man. Share the screen, man. No mistakes. Yo, any transaction now to.
Change a state, change a time. White boy have to share his screen for FaceTime. No rich, nah, this state, Jillian, my BS gun still a bar. Them no rich, nah, this state, Jillian,
This is a vibe. This is a vibe, bro. Cash. No joke.
my BS gun still a bar.
Yes. What? It's mad. NPT, dog, said dog. I know me say so, dog. I like your sister. Me like this. Me like this. Me like this, dog. Me not lie. Me like this. Me like how Skipper and Rakesh just push each other to be better. Them a beef, you know. But they also push each other to be better, dog. Them a draw out the best in each other. You see me? Like two man, them a hope them thing from the little. You see, Skipper been a doing thing, you know. And Rakesh been a doing thing. But man, them up them thing a little, man. If you can't lie, man, them up them thing a little bit ever since them a beef. You see me? I love to see it. You see me? I'm not busy about it. Man, I don't want in real life, you know. But as long as they can push each other to keep on and give these bangers, so be it. You see me? I say, cause music we love, you know, we love money, you know. You see me? I say, gang. But man, them a go, dog. Man, them a find some new style and some new flow. You see me? I say, yeah, man, they push each other to get better, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Mad. Extradite. Raw Cash, keep doing your thing, G. Raw Cash, keep doing your thing, G. You see me? I say, I love how. You see me? You can up your consistency a little bit. You see me? Because I think you do like one tune a month, you know? You see me? If you can give it like one every 3 weeks instead of 4 weeks. 2 weeks would be better. But if you can do 2 weeks, every 3 weeks instead of every 4 weeks. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Trust me, the week there, the 1 week, the one, taking off 1 week, you see me? Trust me, it makes a difference. Niggas probably don't think so, you know. You see me? Can you probably say, yo, why the difference between 3 weeks and 4? Trust me, it's a big, it might not look like it on paper, but the feel and your presence definitely change. You see me? Cause right now, I see I drop every 4 weeks, like every month I drop a tune. They can cut that down to 3 weeks or every 2 weeks. Just for right now, where you're doing your phase of your career, yeah, man, that thing about up, man. You can cut it down for like one every 2 weeks, one song every 2 weeks for the next, but the rest of the year. You see me? Then next year you can go back to your 3 week or month, this, bro. Yeah, but for right now, if you get your relevancy, because you're relevant right now in our cash. But you dropping every month is lessening your relevancy. If you can cut it down to 3 weeks, trust me. They'll probably say, yo, 4 weeks, look, it's not much a difference. 3 weeks is not much a difference, but trust me, with a 1 week difference, you would definitely see a difference in attraction. You see me? I say again, you can get it on one tune every 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You can do that to 3 weeks, you're good. But yeah, man, Raw Cash, Extradite, dog, I do him thing, man. Vibe, energy. Yeah, me like this. Trust me, playlist, I got try the playlist, man. The style and the concept of this one is just crazy. You see me? So yeah, man, gang, me know one thing about the one. If you like it, definitely show the artist on over support, make you know say you're the dancer, you know. You see me? I say, and in the comment section, let me know your favorite part, B6, Smelly, all that good stuff. You see me? I say, and yeah, let's get a conversation going, man. Let's chop it up. We don't know what time it is. Check out all the videos that I've been dropping. You don't know, we drop the comic. We got March. We got Sheesh. You see me? Only tune drop. So check all those out. You already know what time it is, gang. I know I'm more bangers coming. You see me? More bangers found on top. Trust me. You see me? I say, but yeah, man. Anyway, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.